Dissertation submission, a walkthrough of submission. Purpose. This video is to help you understand the actual steps in the process of submitting your dissertation. Submission process. First screen, login screen. Second, instruction screen. Publishing options, choose the open access. Screen 4, ProQuest agreement. Screen 5, the HIU agreement. 6, contact information. 7, abstract and details. 8, submit the PDF. 9, submit supplementary files. 10, notes to administrator. 11, registration for copyright. 12, pre-order copies. 13, submit. 14, order summary. And lastly, billing information. This video is basically going to wait 10 seconds and then advance to the next screen just so you have an opportunity to see what happens on each screen. Previous screen was the license to distribute with ProQuest. It's a non-exclusive. You can publish anywhere. This is just legal paperwork that you should keep. You are signing a document that assures you that you maintain your copyright, but you are licensing ProQuest to be a non-exclusive distributor of your dissertation. It is a non-exclusive license. You can distribute or publish it anywhere else. It also states that you give them, ProQuest, the permission to update by changing formats to some future form. In the future, PDF may not be the file format. They can also sell hard copies of the dissertation. And what you just saw was another piece of legal paperwork. This is a license like the ProQuest license. We are asking permission to host your dissertation and make it available on the web. There are additional comments about translating the work. This is, again, just the way of talking about updating the file once PDFs are no longer the standard. It would be like copying a VHS tape into a DVD, then to Blu-ray. We don't know the next format, but we still want your dissertation to be available. Next, you come up with the idea of embargo. What is it and should you? Again, there's the embargo question. As I said in one of the earlier videos, you probably don't need the embargo. It is an option available to you, but if you aren't in contact with the publisher already, you probably don't really need this. This note to administrator actually comes to me in the library and I read it if you have any comments. Again, if you have any questions about your rights or responsibilities as an author or about the submission process, your questions should be directed to the library. Again, there's our email address. If you need to chat, we have live chat during business hours, and the link is right there. Congratulations. And then lastly, if you have questions about your topic or the defense, those should be directed towards your committee chair, supervisor, or to your readers. And again, congratulations.